Greetings, math explorers. Thanks for meeting me here in the forest. Welcome to the Great Math Expedition, where numbers come to life in thrilling adventures. Today, our quest leads us into the enchanted forest of Mathlandia, where a magical potion awaits us. This magical potion promises to make everything grow by 10 times the amount, and maybe even more. 100, 1,000, 10,000. Are you ready? All right, let me just walk away over here. Can I get it? Yep, just walking through the forest. Just getting out of the way here for math. There we go. Better. Okay. Now, I'm going to be keeping an eye on you, so make sure that you stay focused because this is very important. As you journey through the lush greenery, you stumble upon a mysterious potion guarded by a wise old math wizard. To unlock its power, he says, you must understand the secret of multiplying by powers of 10. So let's just pause right there for a second and review what powers of 10 actually mean. So if we look in our notebook in the beginning of the year, you probably got a powers of 10 worksheet from me. And we talked about how all of these numbers are the main numbers that we're going to be using this year that are powers of 10. And if you notice that they all kind of have something in common. And that is that they have to do with the place value chart. So we have our 1/10, our 100th, our 1,000. We have our 10, our 100, our 1,000, our 10,000, and so on. Today, we're just going to focus in on what happens when we multiply any whole number by one of these powers of 10. Okay, now our journey begins. The potion's magic is like multiplying our numbers by powers of 10, making them grow in a flash. So first I'm going to demo a little bit. Imagine we have the number 25, and you decide to take a sip of this potion. Can you guess what happens? That's right, you become a giant towering over the trees, just like 25 times 10 becomes 250. You've unlocked the magic of powers of 10 multiplication. But how did I get this so quickly and mentally? Well, I counted the number of zeros in my power of 10, and because 25 is a whole number, we're able to add that zero to the end of the whole number. So 25 times 10 equals 250. Now, on our journey, we encounter a bridge guarded by a magical creature. To cross, he makes us solve a math problem. If we have 8 and want to multiply it by 100, what transformation awaits us? Well done. Adding 2 zeros gives us 800. 8's our whole number. We have our 2 zeros that we're able to add to the end of 8. Good news is we crossed the bridge unscathed. Continuing our quest, we find a treasure chest protected by a riddle. The riddle says, if we have 42 and want to multiply it by 1,000, what's the key to unlocking the treasure? Excellent. Adding 3 zeros to 42 leads us to 42,000. The treasure chest opens, revealing the secrets of multiplying by powers of 10. Our adventure takes us to the mountain's peak, where a dragon guards the final challenge. To proceed, we must solve one last math puzzle. 6 multiplied by 10,000. what awaits us at the summit. Amazing work. Adding 4 zeros to the 6 transforms it to 60,000. The dragon bows and we reach the summit victorious. Congratulations, fearless explorers. With our math magic, we've conquered the powers of 10 and triumphed over challenges. Remember, math is an adventure waiting to be explored. Until our next thrilling quest, keep multiplying and stay curious. As we're walking down the mountain, we come across something in the distance. It looks like an exponent. We walk closer and we pick it up and we notice it's another map. On the map, it says to solve these problems to get more information. We pick it up, we take a closer look, we take out our pencils and we write 41 times 4, or times 1 equals 41 times 10 to the first equals 41 times 10 to the second, 41 times 10 to the third. What does this mean? What do these exponents mean? Well, let's start with 10 to the third. We know that 10 to the third equals 1,000. A shortcut tells us with the power of 10 and our exponent of 3, this will tell us how many zeros are after the 1. Ten to the second would be 100. 10 to the first would be 10, and 1 equals 1. So if we go to solve 41 times 1, we get 41. Now 41 times 10, we know that 10 to the first is 10. So 41 times 10 means there's 1 0 we're going to add to the end of 41, which is going to give us 410. 10 to the second power, that 2 means there's going to be 2 zeros after 41. 1, 2. 10 to the third means 3 zeros after the 41. 1, 2, 3. We're going to be continuing to practice these and the other ones later this week.